Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Google AI Studio to n8n. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and open up your Google AI Studio, come at the bottom left, click on Get API Key, and then here you'll see all your API keys. And if you want, you can create a new one. Just click here on Create API Key. You can name this anything you want. So we'll just go ahead and name this one Testing. And right there you can go ahead and choose an imported project, any one that you currently have, or you can go ahead and create a new one as well, import one. I'll just go ahead and use this project, click on create key, and then once I have my key, I'll go ahead and just copy it. So there is an option right here to copy the API key. Click on that, as you can see, copy to clipboard, come here to n8n, and then you can go ahead and start a workflow. I'll just start one from scratch, and then you can go ahead and add your first step right here. And you can go ahead and choose how to trigger it. I'll just do trigger manually. I'll come here and add another node. And on this node, I'll just go ahead and search for Gemini. And right here, I'll choose Google Gemini. And let's just choose any action. Let's say generate an image. And then here, we'll ask you credential to connect with. Click on create new credential. And here under API key, I want you to just go ahead and paste in your API key that you copied from here. You can go ahead and just leave host as it is. Come here and just click on save. As you can see, it has been successfully created. This credential is now live. And that is how to connect Google AI Studio to n8n. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.